You never want to sell the same exact thing as someone else because then you're just competing with the price. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business so I could help others out. I also like to share videos related to the stock market and making money online. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated with new videos every week. And just for doing that, for liking my videos and following my channel, I do a giveaway at the end of every month where you have a chance to win my course or a $100 prize. And I'm also adding the option to win a lifetime subscription to my Amazon Sellers Discord. It's a full community for Amazon FBA sellers where I share additional content that isn't on my YouTube channel. So if you want to check that out, look at the link down below. But in this video, I'm going to go over multiple ways on how you could differentiate your product that you're going to sell on Amazon. You never want to sell the same exact thing as someone else because then you're just competing with the price and you will have to drop your price and the customers will go with whichever one is a lower price because there is nothing different about your product compared to the other sellers. There's a lot of different things that you could do to differentiate your product and we're going to cover that in this video. So let's get into it. So the first way that you could differentiate your product from all the other sellers on Amazon is creating a bundle. Now a bundle is when you take one product, add another product, and then you sell them together. And you could do this physically, but now you could also do it virtually. So if you are brand registered, you could send two different products in with two different ASINs and you could set it up in your Seller Central account where Amazon will bundle both of them together when they ship them out to the customer. Or you could have your supplier package both of the units in one package. And to do that, all you do is get one supplier to send your inventory to the other supplier. You have to talk with both suppliers and see how they're going to work it out, but it's pretty cheap to get shipping because usually they're pretty close. They're both in China and you want to get the smaller product shipped to the bigger product. And then that supplier with the bigger product should be able to package them both together in one box. But if they can't be packaged together in one box or your supplier can't do it, then you will have to send it to a prep center. So keep that in mind, but that is one way that you could differentiate your product from the others. Create a bundle, make sure that it's a product that goes with the other product. You don't want to just have a random product and add it to the other product. It has to go together and the customers should want them to be together. So one way to look at that is look at what customers frequently bought together on the Amazon listing. I'll put a little video here. You could also look at reviews on all your other competitors and see if other people are commenting like, hey, I wish this came with another product. Whatever that product is that they're asking for, you could bundle those together. So that is one way to differentiate your product. The next way is to create a different design or style. Now what I mean by this is create a different shape of the product, create a different design, whatever's popular. You could have like a modern style design. I know I always say this with my products, but I like to do home decor because there's tons of different designs out there like farmhouse, modern home, contemporary, you get the point, but there's a ton of different ideas. But the design has to be something that people would actually want. Just don't create a random design and hope it sells. You have to see what's popular, and just like in my last video, you could run a poll and see what people think of the products before you launch it. It's a good idea to get an opinion from other people because even though you might like the new design that you created, other people might not like it and that's going to lead to no sales. So you want to get opinions from other people, and that is step number 2 on how you could differentiate your product. Create a different design, a different style. You could do different colors, different patterns, and to try to find these different patterns, just go on Google, type in popular patterns or different ideas for colors, and then you should be able to differentiate a product by the design or color depending on which type of product it is. And then the third way on how you could differentiate a product is create a better product, create better packaging. If the listings that are out there look horrible or the pictures look bad, you could improve your listing and have better packaging and pictures on your listing, and then a customer would want to buy yours over the others because your listing looks way better, the pictures are better, and that's what customers look at, are the pictures and the price. So if you could beat them out with the price and have a way better listing, better packaging, better branding, then you should be able to get more sales than those people that have the bad pictures or bad listing. Look at the bad review section of their product and see what people are complaining about, and then add different features to your product. Say that they wish they had another pocket on the bag that they bought. You could add that pocket to your product, so now people have an additional pocket to store stuff. So you want to look at different reviews on all of the other sellers and come up with ideas on how you can make yours better. You always want to make your product better, differentiate it so a customer will pick yours over the other ones. So it could be one of these 3 things that I just went over, but you never want to sell the same exact thing, and if you do, it's going to be be a hard time, but a couple things you could do is outbid them with PPC, have better strategies and better launches, and then you could rank above them and hopefully get more reviews. But if they already have thousands of reviews, it's going to be very hard and almost impossible. But that is it. Those are 3 different ways on how you could differentiate your product if you're going to sell it on Amazon. You never want to sell the same exact thing, and if you do, you better make sure that you have a good PPC strategy and a lot of money to compete, and then that person is going to lower their price. So you're going to have enough margin to drop your price so you guys can compete because it's the same exact thing. So you always want to differentiate your product for that reason. But that is it for this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you have a chance to win my course, $100 or a lifetime membership to my Amazon sellers Discord. If you are new to Amazon FBA, check out my Discord down below. All of my links are right down below. But that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.